guys, Johnson here. In this video, I will show you how to make and remove read-only from Excel in 6 ways.
Okay, way 1. Right-click on your Excel file and select Properties. On the tab General, check Read Only. And then click OK. Let's open the file. We make some changes and press Ctrl and S to save it. It says we can't save Johnson's worksheet because the file is read-only. Okay, so this file is really read-only now. Don't save. But how to remove Excel read-only? Again, we right-click the Excel file and click Properties. This time, we uncheck the read-only and save the change. Way 2 on the Excel worksheet. Press F12 to open Save As. First, we change its file name as read-only. Click Tools, General Options. If you just want to remind others to open it as read-only, check Read-only Recommended and click OK. If you want to set a password instead, uncheck it and type a password. Select OK. Type it again and click OK. Save. Now you can see a read-only copy and it will ask you for a password, or you can only open it as read-only. If you want to remove read-only, first click it and then just press F12 and create a new copy without read-only password. Open this copy. We will find it's editable now. And can be saved. Way 3. Open this Excel file. Click Info. Protect Workbook. Always open Read Only. Close the file and click Save. The next time you open this worksheet, it will say the author would like you to open Johnson's worksheet as read-only. Want to remove this type of read-only? Just click No and on the same place. One click to uncheck Always Open Read-only. Way 4. Click File Info. Protect Workbook. Mark as final. This will let readers know the document is final. And you will see a warning here. Now the cells in Excel are totally non-editable, as you can see, and workbook structure as well. To remove Excel read-only, just uncheck Mark as Final and save. Way 5. Also, you can click Review, Protect Sheet to make it read-only. Type a password, OK, and re-enter the password. And then protect workbook. This will protect the workbook structure. Type the password and again. Let's see. When you try to edit a cell, you can't. When you try to edit a workbook structure, you can't. Once you want to unprotect sheet or workbook, click here and enter your passwords. If you forgot the password already, then take way 6. Way 6. This way can help you remove all types of Excel read-only above with just one click. Open your browser, type isanshare.com and visit the website. Under the tab Password Tools, select Workbook Unprotect Genius. Download and get a free trial. Open and install it step by step. Click Finish and launch it. Click Open. Select your password-protected Excel file and open it. One click and remove password, and you are all done. On the same folder, there will be a copy of your Excel file, but without password. You can delete any sheet you want. You can rename any sheet you need without limitation.